Tales of the Trail is a nonprofit organization. We're just about a year old, and we work with our partner shelters, such as Montgomery County Animal Control, and we partner our shelters with hikers, walkers, families who want to help the community. And what we do is we organize dog walks with the shelter dogs.
The walks happen once a month, and right now today I think we have 41 walkers. So that means 41 dogs get to be walked, and if we have more volunteers show up, that means puppies will be cuddled, puppies will be played with.
We are hitting our 1,000th dog walk this morning. So, yeah.
Big day for us. We're walking our 1,000th dog today.
We're super excited to be part of the program initially, but now we're really excited that we have the 1,000th dog that will be walking through the door.
The dogs, it's so amazing for them. When they first come out at the beginning of the walk, they're very hyper, very excited. By the end of the walk, they're just happy, they're wagging their tails.
It makes a huge difference for the dogs. It socializes them, it gets them the exercise that they need. A lot of the volunteers that walk the dogs actually will end up adopting them.
If you're interested in coming out, we have these monthly here at the Montgomery County Animal Shelter. You can find us on meetup.com under Clarksville Hiking Group or at Tales of the Trail.
For event information, visit clarksvillenow.com.